In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reschedule a meeting in Google Calendar. Navigating our busy schedules can be quite a challenge, and sometimes meetings need to be moved to accommodate other priorities. Thankfully, with Google Calendar, rescheduling a meeting is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it together. First things first, you'll need to access your Google Calendar. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Google Calendar website. Once there, the login page will greet you. Here you'll type in your email address associated with your Google account, followed by your password. After entering your credentials, click on the Next button to proceed. If you've already logged into another Google service like Gmail, you might be directed straight to your calendar. Once you're successfully logged in and on the main page of Google Calendar, you'll see your scheduled events laid out on the calendar. Navigating through your events is simple. You can view your scheduled meetings by day, week, or month, allowing for easy organization of your time. Now let's address the main task, rescheduling a meeting. Find the meeting you need to reschedule on your calendar. With Google Calendar, rescheduling is as easy as click and drag. Click on the event you wish to move to select it. Without releasing the mouse button, drag the event across the calendar to a new date and time that suits your revised schedule better. As you move it, you'll notice the dates and times updating in real time. Once you've found the perfect new slot for your meeting, simply release the mouse button. Google Calendar automatically updates the event time and will notify attendees of the change, ensuring everyone's on the same page. It's a good practice to double check with the attendees after rescheduling, to confirm their availability, and to ensure the new meeting time works for everyone involved. And that's it. You've successfully rescheduled a meeting in Google Calendar. It's a quick and efficient process that takes the hassle out of rearranging meetings. With this simple drag and drop functionality, Google Calendar helps ensure that you can adapt to changes in your schedule seamlessly, keeping your workday fluid and productive. Remember, effective calendar management is key to time management, and skills like rescheduling meetings swiftly can make a world of difference in managing your day. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to more productive days ahead with Google Calendar.